A servlet must be invoked. There are two means of invoking a servlet. First, invocation from a web form. Second, invocation from a hyperlink. This is an example of servlet invocation from a web form. Here in the form, the action is specified update product servlet. This action is referring to a web servlet annotated as update product servlet in the product servlet manager. This is an example of servlet invocation from a hyperlink. The link specifies get product servlet. This action is referring to a web servlet annotated as get product servlet in the product servlet selector. Let's have a look at demonstration of servlet creation and invocation using Eclipse.